Hi, it's Mark with At My Home. And do you ever have a problem where you have your trimmer, like I have a Ryobi trimmer here, where the bottom is actually worn off? And that's because you rub it a little bit too much on concrete or whatever else. And after a while, this bracket here, it wears out. And actually, you notice there's a hole in it where there used to be a solid piece. So I'm going to show you what I did to make it work. Okay, to solve it, I just picked up this very simple product from Ryobi, which is called the Ryobi AC14 HCA Genuine OEM Plus Replacement Spool Cap for Ryobi One Plus, which is what this is. And it's really kind of simple. Check this out. That's it. That's the cap. So now you notice it's got the cap. It's solid. And all you have to do is take this, put it on your spool, and it's nice tight fit now. You just snap it in, and boom, it's done. And that's it. You fixed it. Thank you for watching.